जय जगन्नाथ। Her Excellency the President of India Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, Honorable Governor of Odisha Sri Hari Babu Kumbhampati ji, Honorable Union Minister External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar ji, Honorable Union Minister Education Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Honorable Union Minister Tribal Affairs Sri Jewel Oram ji, Honorable Union Minister of State External Affairs Sri Kirti Vardhan Singh ji, Honorable Union Minister of State External Affairs Sri Pavitra Margarita ji, Honorable Ministers, Government of Odisha, Honorable MPs, Honorable MLAs, friends from Indian diaspora, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी, प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस उत्सवर उद्यापन अवसर रे आपणकर आगमन आम समस्त गौरवान्वित करिछि। आपणकर उपस्थिति ए कार्यक्रम मर्यादा को वृद्धि करिछि। आपण आम राष्ट्र उज्जवल प्रदीप, आपण आम विश्वास आउ आकांक्षार अक्षय भंडार। आपणकर सक्रिय एवं गौरवमय उपस्थिति आम पाई अंतरंग आश्वस्ति और सुखदायक। आपणकर महिमामंडित उपस्थिति पाई मु आपणक निकटरे कृतज्ञता प्रकाश करुछि। महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी, हमारे ओडिशा की बेटी है। उनके शांत, सरल स्वभाव, ज्ञान के गहराई और दार्शनिक सोच से वो सारा देश के लोगों को अनुप्रेरित किए हैं। उनके वजह से आज देश की माताओं और बहनों को जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की अपार ऊर्जा मिली है। आपकी आने से हृदय की आसमान में रोशनी ही रोशनी है। आप हमारे शान, मान और जान। I am delighted that this 3-day celebration of friendship and solidarity with our Indian sisters and brothers living in faraway lands has been a splendid and spectacular experience. Dear friends from diaspora, thank you for being here. With your presence, Odisha looks happier today than ever before. Your potential presence have lighted the lamps of love and faith like never before. You all are our assets with a priceless vigor and vitality. Your mirage presence is our sincere pleasure from the core of our hearts. It has been a historic event for Bhubaneswar in all its manifestations. There is light, colors, music, dance, flowers everywhere in the city. Now the city is in a festive mood. We have also organized splendid events in other places of our state. Sea Beach Festival at Puri, Bar Festival at Chilika, and are also holding serene events at Buddhist heritage sites at Laditgiri, Ratnagiri, and at Dhaudi. Everything we do these days, we do it for you. Many of you might have visited some of our natural and heritage sites. We are glad that you have released traditional Odia cuisine. For some of you, it might have been a first-time experience in Odisha. My only request to you is please keep coming. Odisha is ready to welcome you. Please request at least 5 of your foreigner friends at the foreign land to pay a visit to India as well as to Odisha to explore the envious art, culture, architectural wonder, spiritual serenity and intimate hospitality. They will rejuvenate themselves with the hymns of peace and halos of hearty feelings here. Come and feel the vibrations of endless love and brotherhood. Feel the magnetism and melody in simplicity marked with sober vibes. You and we both have the covalent bond of belief and hope. Friends, in these few days, we have experienced so many things: melting of hearts, feelings the warmth of belongingness, convergence of ideas, thinking beyond borders, building bridges, and pledging to work along together to the realm of a prosperous future. I thank all the eminent panelists who have enlightened us with their intelligent analysis of the present scenario and showing us their way forward with novel ideas. I congratulate all the distinguished persons who received Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award and the winners of Bharat Ko Janiye quiz. I am grateful to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for his immense support and enormous encouragement in all our endeavors. His popular words, "Yahi samay hai, sahi samay," which means this is the time and this is the perfect time, must be observed in letter and spirit by all of us. This will fuel our passion to do the daredevils for the revolutionary progress and exemplary treats of our nation to a great extent. My sincere thanks to Honorable External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar ji for being with us all the time to make this event a grand success. I thank the Honorable Union Ministers from Odisha for guiding us in organizing this mega event. I thank the people of Odisha, especially the people of Bhubaneswar, for their enthusiastic response to this event. With this event, Odisha is now more open to the world than ever before. The world now sees limitless opportunity in Odisha. In short, Odisha is going global. Its hearty appeal to the Indian diaspora to be the part and parcel of the overall progress and prosperity of our nation, as well as Odisha with their energetic involvement to steer the wheel of success, being catalyst of newness and excellence. With the blessing of the Lord Sri Jagannath, the Odia Asmita is at its new height now. I seek your involvement and cooperation in taking the idea, culture and heritage, taking the Odia culture and heritage to the world. The Pravasis who want to engage with the state for projects, investment, etc., will be supported and facilitated. I am delighted to announce that my government will appoint a nodal minister from the Department of Odia Language, Literature and Culture for this purpose. I once again express my sincere gratitude to Her Excellency, the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, for being with us. Thank you all. Thank you for everything. Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkal Janani, Bharat Mata ki Jai.